Welcome, students, to ITU. ITU has launched a new learning management system called MAX. You can think of it as maximizing the academic experience. MAX is based on the Canvas Learning Management System, the most widely used LMS in the nation, and can be easily accessed on any of your devices. To access MAX, you will be sent a course invitation through your ITU student email. Click on the link and create an account. Once you have access to your account, go to your profile settings. Here, you can upload a picture of yourself and change the time zone settings to Pacific Standard Time to ensure that you don't miss any submission deadlines. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well. You can add your mobile number for a text option, and then choose how frequently you'd like to receive your notifications. For each course homepage, you'll see announcements and quick links to course overviews, as well as instructor profiles where you can see your professor's office hours and contact information. You can learn more about your classmates here, making it easier to collaborate, get in touch, and ask questions. You can view your course syllabus here, and your assignments here. You can even view the status of your assignments and this is where you submit them. Be sure to check out the calendar and the email functions as well. In your course modules, you can find more Canvas video tutorials. Also, the help icon will provide you with links to Canvas guides that will answer any of the questions you have about the platform. If you still have questions, feel free to submit a help request to us directly. The MAX support team will be happy to help. Don't forget that you have access to all these features through your mobile and tablet devices as well. Just download the student app, search ITU MAX, and log in. Thank you for your attention and have a great school year.